Hello guys, if your car keeps braking automatically in Forza Horizon 6, then the problem is most likely caused by one of the driving assist settings. So let me quickly show you how you can change it. First, open the pause menu, then go into settings. After that, head over to the difficulty section. Once you are in here, scroll down until you find the braking option. In many cases, this setting is probably set to assisted, and that is exactly what causes the game to automatically slow down or brake for you while driving. So instead, you probably want to switch it over to anti-lock off or anti-lock on, depending on what you prefer. Using anti-lock on keeps ABS enabled, which makes braking easier and more stable. You can completely disable ABS if you want more realistic braking, but just keep in mind that it is definitely harder to control the car that way. After changing the setting, make sure to save everything. On Xbox controller, you can use the menu button, and on keyboard, you can press the spacebar to confirm and save the changes. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.